We have some gorgeous new hair combs that may inspire your bridal selection. Just take a look at this beautiful gold floral hair comb. It has these stunning pinkish flowers. They look almost like a mother of pearl as you look closer. They have that sheen look to them, covered with stunning pearls and Swarovski crystals for the additional sparkle. And I really love wearing this either on the side, like the classical sort of 20s, 40s elegant look, or potentially on the back of the hair as you create a beautiful bun on the back, maybe a bit of a messy bun, and you put it in. So what do you think?